Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will show you mold water pressure testing video of EPS structural foam parts for small household appliances, 4 cavities. Before our molds leave the factory, we conduct thorough water pressure testing. This process helps to maximize cooling efficiency and ensures that the mold's cooling system is performing optimally before shipment. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.